Question 7. In a photoelectric effect experiment, ultraviolet light of wavelength 254 nanometer is shone onto a metal with a work function of 4.38 electron volt, and electrons are emitted. So this is telling us that the energy is greater than the work function. So when the experiment is repeated with ultraviolet light of wavelength 313 nanometer, no electrons are emitted. So this is the first case. The second energy is less than the work function when the different wavelength is used. So the first one is 254 nanometer. So we have to explain why no photoelectrons are emitted. So remember, this is the reason why, but we need to show the calculation. So the calculation is gonna be using this formula. So the first energy is equal to 7.83 times 10 to the power of negative 19 joules. So that is the energy. We have to convert this into electron volts so that we can compare it with the work function here. Divide, and then you will get 4.89 electron volt. Okay, so if you look at this, the energy is greater than the work function, hence photoelectrons are emitted. Okay, and then for the second energy, Hc over lambda 2, this gives us 6.35 times 10 negative 19 joule. Again, divide this with 1.6 negative 19. So this gives us 3.97 electron volts. So now look at this. The energy for the second wavelength is less than the work function. Hence, no electrons are emitted. Okay? Alright, so that is the solution on question number 7.